she got on the floor, do you know?
I don't remember.
Probably September, because that's when she was spayed. So she was here for a while before she went out. Yeah.
That's bad.
Right?
I just seen her on Facebook though. Like that's when I said, I'm not come see you guys because, but I'm not.
'Cause of
But I
Facebook?
commented on her
Yay,
picture.
Facebook!
And I just said, well,
Yay.
where are you guys at? Because like I came here and
Yeah.
clothes and I was like, oh, look at that too. But that was the first time I ever saw her. That's kind of weird.
And Linda said, guess what I did today? And I couldn't guess. I couldn't guess that much.
Oh yeah.
Cute. Cute.
I didn't want to tell you at first. I was like, this sounds kind of neat. Go back and see what she really likes.
All right. Guys are all set.
Oh.
If you can get her off the floor. She might be just...
I've never seen this side of her. That's really cute. That's really cute.
Look at that. She is a clown.
Oh man, that's gonna be a
Oh, what's going to say
She said I had to